Hi everyone, welcome back to Salesforce Textbook. Today we are going to discuss the topic is Lightning Message Service with Lightning Web Components. Before we are going to start the topic, please stay healthy, stay safe. Please go through WHO website for latest information on COVID-19 outbreak. What we are going to discuss as part of this session. As part of this session, we are going to discuss how to publish a message and how to subscribe the message from the publisher, or how to subscribe to the channel and process the message when it is published through that message channel. To publish, you have to uh, import necessary methods by using import statement and message service scoped module, and then you have to import your channel by using message channel module. After that, you can publish your message by using publish method. So for subscribe also same thing, you have to import necessary methods, that is create message context and scope, application scope, and if you want to release the message context, you can release also in disconnected callback and unsubscribe if you want. Okay, that's it. And after that, in subscribe method you have to pass one parameter is context, another one is message channel name, and once you get the message, to process that you have to call this handler method, that is handle message. So this method will process your message and you have to define the scope. Simple. Now let's see everything practically, then you can understand. So first thing is, let's create a component name as create publish component, publish LWC component, and here I'm saving this component. So I'm going to import necessary methods. In our case, I want to import accounts, get accounts method, because in my example in this session what we are going to see, we are going to display list of records or list of accounts in a publish or publisher LWC or publisher component, and we are going to display account detail when someone clicks on any account record in publisher component, and we are going to display the same account detail in subscriber component with the help of Lightning Message Channel. And here I'm importing create message context and everything, and publish methods and release message context from message service scoped module, and then I'm importing message channel also. Our message channel is sample message channel underscore underscore C. Then and I'm setting the context with the help of create message context method account list, and I want to load accounts when component loads. So I am calling this method. This method is imported from account controller. Done. Now let's write our template. If you see template, this is the template. So this template account list LWC, and I am iterating through for each template, and in anchor tag I am using data attribute. Okay, that is data hyphen value account ID I am assigning, and it is going to call handle click method when someone clicks on account name. So let's save this. Then let's define handle click method. So in this handle click method, so I'm using event.prevent default method. It prevents the default behavior of anchor tag, and then it will execute this statements. And here what I am doing, I'm just preparing a message, and I'm getting the record ID through value attribute. So this is data attribute which I defined in anchor tag. It will get the account ID by using dataset property. And then record data, I'm just adding one message, that is message from Lightning Web Component. Anyway, I'm not going to use it. If you want, you can use it, otherwise no. So our main intention is I want to pass this account record ID and publish this. Okay, publish this message. That's it, done. So I have successfully completed this publisher component. And to make this available for Lightning app page, you have to make is exposed to true and configure targets as Lightning app page. Okay, done. Now let's create a subscriber component. Subscriber LWC. So simply here also, when you go to subscriber, as I told you, you have to import necessary methods and channel. Okay, here our channel is sample message channel, and extra one is application scope. You always need to import when you want to subscribe to any uh, channel. Okay, and subscribe method and unsubscribe methods also there if you want to unsubscribe. So now simple message channel you imported, and I'm importing fields also. This is, you already know in previous examples how to import, and setting context and a variable null. So if you want to unsubscribe, otherwise no need to use this, and received message if you want. So here in our case we are going to receive account ID. So you can use this account ID without track also. Okay, now it supports an object API name, this one, field names, preparing, and connected callback. When this component loads, it calls subscriber MC method. So let's define subscriber MC method also. Okay, here if already subscribed, it will return it is already subscribed. It don't need to subscribe again. It doesn't need to, and otherwise it will subscribe. So it is taking context with the help of create message context method and message, I mean here channel name sample MC, and imported from sample message channel. And once it is subscribed, and message arrow function here, and to process this message you are calling handle message method. Here I'm going to define that method. Okay, and here this is the method which you are calling this is the handler method, and you are passing that message. And once it calls, and here you are passing the scope also, you have to remember this point always. And once you call this handle message, it is assigning a record ID which is passed from publisher and message also if you want. Okay, So to get the message in record data, we have value property. Again, it is kind of object, right? We prepared like that. So you can give direct values also while you are giving the values to attributes. But while we are publishing, we gave like a property or like an object or instance, right, in JSON format. That's why I'm adding or I'm accessing that value by using record data, that is attribute name. Under that you have value property if you want, simply. Now let's prepare template, our user interface. Where is that user interface? Yes, simply. So here account ID I am passing, which I am getting through subscription, and object API name, that is account, and fields I imported, whatever I imported, columns 2 and mode view. This is Lightning Data Service base component, right? And I want to make this available for app page. So is exposed true. So I'll configure targets. Okay, so now I have successfully completed subscriber components also. So saved. Now let's add these two components into app page and let's see whether they're able to communicate or not. Let's go to a builder. App page. So app builder, Lightning app builder. I'm creating an app page. And LMS LWC example. This is the app page. Two regions as usual. Publish LWC and subscribe LWC. Done. Save. Activate. Add to this one. Done. Go back to this. So here you can see that I already added, right? This is LMS ARA, but we need LMS LWC. This is the one. The account list LWC subscriber. So now let's see. See, I'm getting the data. So I'm able to pass the data from publisher to subscriber. This is how you can work with Lightning message channel in Lightning web components. So what we learned as part of this session, we learned how to import the methods from Lightning message service, necessary methods for publishing, and how to import the channel, and how to publish, and how to subscribe and by importing necessary methods, and how to process the message. This is what we have learned as part of this session. Okay, so I'll give you this references in the description of this video. You can have a look into it. Okay, all the best. Please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook.